All right. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be having a discussion around Pepe. I appreciate the Pepe community for showing tremendous amount of love on a day-to-day basis. Cannot thank you guys enough. Continue supporting and you will see a continuation of these updates. So as we are looking at the markets, I did make an XRP update a few hours ago. Since then, you are starting to see a little bit of a retracement within the crypto markets, and that is due to the fact that we have seen Bitcoin see a little bit of a minor pullback since earlier this morning. But if you're looking at Pepe, it's down about 1%. Just a quick reminder, on the weekly time frame, it's up 37.5%. And on the monthly time frame, Pepe is up 41.7%, which is absolutely amazing to see. But let's shift our focus towards the price, see what's really happening with the price, and of course, what is yet to come. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the price, currently sitting at 1103, still 4 zeros in front of the price, down about 1.6% in USD comparative, as well as Bitcoin and ETH. If you're looking at the market valuation, it's currently sitting at $4.6 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is still at $2.3 billion. And that tells you everything in terms of interest right now that is coming towards, not just Pepe, but, the broader meme coin market as well as the altcoin market. As far as the holder count goes, we haven't really seen a change over the course of the last 24 hours, currently still hovering around the 288,177 holders, which is of course really nice to see. But pretty much over the course of the last, I would say, 8 months, if you're really looking at the holder count, you're seeing an upwards trajectory. So pretty much meaning that there's a new holders coming in. As far as the broader meme coin market goes, we are seeing across the board, majority of the coins are actually down over the last 24 hours. Of course, you're seeing some coins that are up, but majority of the coins are seeing a little bit of a retracement, which is of course to be expected, because look at the last 7 days, you're seeing double-digit gains being made across the board, and Pepe still remains to be the top third coin in terms of market valuation, in terms of meme coins. Now, looking at the Bitcoin dominance, it's pretty much hovering where it was earlier today. We have seen a little bit of an uptick since my update that was earlier about XRP. Since then, obviously Bitcoin price has also seen a little bit of a minor pullback as we are looking just now. But, nonetheless, Bitcoin is looking absolutely amazing, as well as, the broader market. A little bit of a retracement, again, is not a big deal. Obviously, we're on a weekend. On the weekends, more manipulation than usual, which we cannot forget. But nonetheless, we're still above $64,000, which is the confirmation level for myself. So I'm bullish, on the market. But we're 2 more days, actually. We're approaching the last day tomorrow for the month of September. We're going into October. And, the wide opinion and the wide sentiment around, see, I can't speak, around, the month of October is bullish. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys personally think. But, what's really interesting right now for Pepe, and again, this is the daily time frame, it's holding beautifully. And again, reason why I say that is because from September 6th, you have seen this thing go up 83.6%. So just this month, we're not talking about over the course of the last few months, just from the beginning of this month, Pepe has gone up 83.6%. And obviously it's seeing a little bit of a minor pullback, but a lot of people tend to forget that, after seeing significant moves like this, it's only normal to see a little bit of a minor pullback. So it's totally normal to see what we're seeing right now. And we're being supported by the exact same level we spoke about in the last update. The previous resistance over the course of the last few months, as the price of Pepe was breaking towards the upside earlier this year, these levels were all-time highs, and now that exact same level is playing as a level of support, which is absolutely amazing to see. And earlier this year, after hitting a new all-time high back in May, those exact same resistances have come into support, which has, obviously strengthened that specific support, and that's exactly where we're hovering right now, as you can see. But if this support is able to be lost, we could maybe see a little bit of downside within Pepe. Obviously, a 98.77 could be the next realistic target to be looking out for if the price were to drop. That's an 11.8% move towards the downside. I don't see that happening happening unless Bitcoin sees a shakeout. Meaning, obviously if Bitcoin, goes down, we see whales coming and trying to manipulate the, longs that are piling up right now, because of course the sentiment on the broader market is bullish. And when that does tend to happen, whales can come out to kind of, shake out these weak hands. So, obviously if that happens, that potential retest down to this level could be still in play. Obviously no one wants to hear that, but on this channel, obviously we keep that a realistic standpoint, and really look at it from a realistic standpoint. But that could be a reality in case obviously Bitcoin sees a little bit of downside. But if this resistance, where we have retested just yesterday as well at the 1190, is retested once again, I do expect a breakout, and we could potentially be heading towards July wicks, which are around the 1309, and pretty much after that we're clear to go to the main key resistance at 1460, which of course is where excitement begins in my opinion. But let me know down below what you guys think, and to the people that bought back earlier here, have some stop losses in place so your profits are not wiped out, and lock those profits in. Don't listen to anyone telling you not to lock profits in. It's always good to lock in profits no matter what time it is. I love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.